Welcome to Science Meets Adventure, Exploring Nature's Secret, a channel dedicated to uncovering the wonders of our natural world. Here, we embark on journeys across the globe, seeking out the most fascinating mysteries that nature has to offer. From hidden ecosystems and rare species to extraordinary landscapes, our mission is to reveal the secrets that lie beyond the surface. Through a blend of scientific curiosity and adventurous exploration, we aim to inspire a deeper appreciation for the planet's incredible diversity. Join us as we delve into the unknown, unraveling the stories that make our world truly remarkable. Waitomo, located on New Zealand's North Island, is renowned for its breathtaking natural landscapes. Rolling green hills stretch as far as the eye can see, punctuated by dense forests and winding rivers. Nestled within this dramatic scenery lies the famous Waitomo Glowworm Caves, a geological wonder that draws visitors from around the world. The region's unique limestone formations have been shaped over millions of years, creating a network of underground passages and chambers. This area is not only a testament to nature's artistry, but also a gateway to one of the most enchanting subterranean experiences in New Zealand. The geological origins of the Waitomo region are rooted in a dynamic history shaped by volcanic activity, erosion, and the persistent influence of water over millions of years. Initially, volcanic eruptions deposited layers of ash and sediment, which gradually compacted and transformed into limestone. Over time, rainwater, slightly acidic due to dissolved carbon dioxide, began to seep through cracks in the limestone. This process slowly dissolved the rock, enlarging the fractures and creating intricate underground passages. Erosion by both water and wind further sculpted the landscape above and below ground. The result is a unique network of limestone caves, characterized by dramatic formations and underground rivers, making Waitomo a remarkable example of nature's artistry shaped by geological forces and the passage of time. Glowworms are remarkable creatures known for their enchanting bioluminescence. This natural light is produced through a chemical reaction in their bodies, where enzymes interact with specific molecules to emit a soft blue-green glow. The glowworm's life cycle begins as an egg, hatching into a larva that spends most of its life suspended from cave ceilings, weaving sticky silk threads to trap prey. These larvae thrive in damp, dark environments such as caves and sheltered forests, where humidity and darkness enhance their glowing display. Within cave ecosystems, glowworms play a crucial role as both predators and prey, helping to regulate insect populations and serving as a food source for other animals. Their bioluminescence not only attracts prey, but also contributes to the unique ambience of cave habitats, making them an integral part of these delicate ecological communities. Inside the cave, natural phenomena unfold in fascinating ways. Temperature often fluctuates, with cooler air prevailing deep within, creating a stark contrast to the outside environment. Humidity levels remain high, fostering a moist atmosphere that supports unique forms of life. Underground streams and trickling water shape the cave's interior, carving new passages over time. These conditions directly influence the native flora and fauna, allowing specialized species to thrive while limiting the presence of others. The interplay of temperature, moisture, and water flow creates a delicate ecosystem perfectly adapted to the cave's ever-changing environment. Waitomo Glowworm Caves offer a truly unique travel experience in New Zealand. Visitors can embark on guided tours that lead them deep into the limestone caves, where intricate rock formations and underground rivers create a mesmerizing atmosphere. Trekking through the caves allows you to witness the natural beauty up close, with pathways winding past stalactites and stalagmites. One of the highlights is a boat ride beneath the cave ceiling, illuminated by thousands of glowworms casting a magical blue-green light. This enchanting spectacle transforms the underground environment into a starry wonderland. The combination of exploration and natural illumination makes Waitomo Glowworm Caves an unforgettable destination for adventure seekers and nature lovers alike. Outdoor adventures abound in the area surrounding the caves. Visitors can immerse themselves in nature by camping under the stars, hiking along scenic forest trails, and taking in breathtaking landscapes. The lush greenery and diverse wildlife create a tranquil setting for exploration and relaxation. Whether you seek the thrill of discovery or a peaceful retreat, these outdoor experiences offer something for everyone. The sounds of rustling leaves and flowing streams enhance the connection to the natural world, making each moment memorable. Exploring these surroundings provides a unique opportunity to appreciate the beauty and serenity of the region. The local culture is deeply rooted in the rich traditions of the Maori people. One of the most captivating aspects is the ancient legend surrounding the caves, believed to be the dwelling place of powerful ancestral spirits. Throughout the year, the community celebrates various festivals that honor these legends and express gratitude to the natural world. Traditional customs, such as welcoming ceremonies and storytelling, play a vital role in preserving their heritage. The Maori maintain a profound connection with nature, viewing the land, rivers, and caves as living entities deserving of respect and care. This bond shapes their daily lives and strengthens the unity of the community. Waitomo is renowned for its unique culinary offerings, shaped by the region's rich natural resources and cultural heritage. Local specialties often feature fresh produce and ingredients sourced directly from the surrounding landscape, such as native honey, artisan cheeses, and wild game. The area is also known for its distinctive wines and craft beverages, reflecting the fertile soils and temperate climate. Beyond its cuisine, Waitomo boasts remarkable biodiversity, with native forests sheltering a variety of plant and animal species found nowhere else. Visitors may encounter rare birds, lush ferns, and ancient trees, all contributing to the vibrant ecosystem. This harmony between local food traditions and ecological diversity makes Waitomo a fascinating destination for both gourmets and nature enthusiasts. Exploring the Waitomo Glowworm Caves offers a truly unforgettable experience where nature's beauty and scientific wonder come together. The shimmering lights of thousands of glowworms create a magical underground landscape, captivating visitors from around the world. Beyond their enchanting appearance, these caves provide valuable insights into geology and the unique ecosystems that thrive in darkness. Such natural treasures remind us of the importance of preserving our environment. By protecting places like Waitomo, we ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at their beauty and learn from their mysteries. Thank you for joining us on Science Meets Adventure, exploring nature's secret. If you enjoyed uncovering the wonders of the natural world with us, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us continue our journey to reveal more of nature's fascinating mysteries. Stay tuned for even more incredible discoveries in our upcoming episodes.